Hey, hey, you know who it is. I'm back. Had to change the diff fluid. We did a video on that, so we're gonna go ahead and, since I had to take off the DIRS diff brace, they say you don't have to take it off for removal. Out of all the vast tools that I have, I couldn't figure it out. If you've done a diff fluid change with the DIRS diff brace and you didn't have to take it off, please drop a link into this video or a comment with your YouTube or whatever video you got. And I'd love to watch it, because for me, when I changed my fluid, I had to take off the diff brace. It's kind of a pain in the ass to put back on, I'm not gonna lie. The cradle bolts or the shims, they always hold me up. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and do a very quick tutorial on how to put the DIRS diff brace on and together. Alright, so excuse me while I'm on the floor. I have a lift at my shop, but why use it when you can be at home, right? The tools you're going to need for the diff brace is a 21 mil. I believe this is a 16. You need a 12 and a small extension, maybe. More of a preference than anything else. And those will be the tools that you need. I would recommend getting yourself either like a small flathead or a really tiny Phillips head, because you're going to have to access the little I don't know if they're like little shims that are in the cradle. You have to slide up in the cradle. So in order to move those around, you're going to need access to them so you can get up and move them. That way you can line them up for the brace. But as far as the tools you'll need, that's pretty much what you'll need, along with one of those. So as you can see, where you'll put there's the little shims that I was talking about. There's a little slot right here in the cradle for the first one, and then the other one will be right here. You'll slide that shim in, and then use your flathead and stick it up this hole and move that shim and direct it where you need it. As you can see, we've already done that. I'm not sure if you can see the threads in there or not, but that is where your shim will sit. And then once you get that lined up, we'll go ahead and start putting everything together. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and install the first portion of the brace. You're going to have two 16mm bolts. The long side is going on the driver's side. The shorter side is going on the passenger side. So we're going to go ahead and get this mounted up. Just gonna get them hand tight for now. And then we'll go back. So once you get your 16mm bolts tightened down, you go ahead and tighten down the 3 12mm bolts, and then you'll move on to the other portion of the brace. So you'll see that you have, on the last piece, you'll have two 12mm bolts, and then your 21, and it comes with this rubber gasket type insulator type thing. You'll go ahead and put that on. It's like has like a cutout or design in it also. Mr. BW Buckhurst did a really awesome job getting this thing designed. It fits really nice. Let me see. Best part about working on your cars, you always forget where you put your tools. Okay. So we'll go ahead and get this put up. All right, so when tightening the main support bolt, the big one that's in the back, the 21, and then the two retaining bolts right here, the two 12s, what I did is I got the two 12 mil bolts started. Not, you know, make sure this thing doesn't have to be completely loose, but I just got them started. That way it just holds this bracket or this piece up. And then go ahead and tighten that one down completely. And then go back and then tighten your 12 mil bolts that are on the side. So tighten the 21 all the way down after getting the 12 started, and then go back and tighten the 12s all the way down, and you're ready to go. Keep on happy trailing. $8.99, here we come.